showing you step by step how to make your very own magic card box. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you step by step how to make your very own magic card box. So if you're anything like me, you've got a bunch of random playing cards laying around you've used for different tricks, and then you just have a bunch of random loose cards laying around in a box somewhere. Well, here is the perfect thing to do with all these loose random cards. You only need 18 cards to make our magic card box. So you're going to gather up 18 cards. They can all be the same color, or you can use different colors. So start out with 18 cards, and you're gonna take them in groups of 2, just like this, and cross them over each other face to face. Now line them up as best you can, an even distance from each of the edges, and fold over the top portion of the card just like this on both sides. Now flip it over, make sure this is lined up, and now you're gonna do the exact same thing, just fold it over. Now take these apart, and now we're going to kind of fit them back together just like this. Take the lip of this one, and it's gonna slide right between those two. You're gonna do the same thing up here and kind of just tuck this in just like that. So now you've got your first side wall of your magic card box. You're gonna repeat this process 3 more times to make your other wall. Now you have your 4 walls of your card box constructed, and here's how we're going to connect them to each other. Take one of your extra cards and fold it in half just like this. This is going to create our hinge to hold our walls together. Take your little hinge card and slide it into one of the walls just like this. Now take one of your other walls and you're going to slide that right there and join them together so you get this. Repeat this process with the extra cards, making your little hinges to hold the walls together. You're just going to slide that in right here and slide another wall on just like that. And for our last wall, another hinge, slide that in. Our last wall here. Now close it up with one last extra card. Now we have our 4 walls assembled. It's time to make the base of the box. We're going to do the exact same process that we did to create the walls. Now we're just going to put 2 cards face to face and fold over the tops. Now separate and join. Now your last step is attaching the base to the 4 walls. We're going to use our last 4 cards and we're going to fold them in half just like we were making hinges for the walls. Now that you have them all folded, you're going to insert them into the base just like this. And they might bump into each other. You just need to work the cards until they slide in just like that. Same thing on this side, and finally this side. And again, the cards might hit each other. You just kind of work them around until they sit flush. And now we're going to take this and we're going to slide these cards into the walls, and that is going to complete our base. You just line them up like this. Make sure the cards just perfectly slide into each one of them. You might have to realign to make sure each one of them is sliding in. Get it lined up just like that. Perfect. Now we're just gonna slowly push this into place just like this, and boom, we have now completed our magic card box just like that. Now you can make another side for this and make it a card cube if you want and close the whole thing, or you can leave it open like this. You can leave it in your room, put it on your dresser. You can throw coins in it. It can just be a little catch-all. You could also use it to produce things. You can pull another card out of it. You can pull a sponge ball out of it. Throw your keys in it when you come home, and it makes a really cool gift. You can make this and give it to somebody. You can get about 3 of these out of 1 deck of playing cards. It only takes about 18 cards to make it, and it's a great thing to do if you just have a bunch of leftover cards. You can make them with different colors, red and blue. You can even make it inside out with the card faces on the outside. The possibilities are really endless with this. The only limit is your imagination. And once you start making them, it's kind of addictive. You'll want to keep making them. It's really fun. I've made a bunch of these. I have them all over my house. So grab some cards and try this out at home. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. All the likes and shares on the video really help the YouTube algorithm, help more people see the video, and help more people subscribe to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, and you can learn cool new magic stuff like this. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is my online magic shop. If you don't have a whole bunch of decks of cards, we've got some for you. We have standard decks of bicycle cards and a bunch of really cool trick decks, amazing magic that you can't find anywhere else, and a whole lot more. Check out the link for that. It is in the description at EvanEraTV.com. Every order you place place helps us to continue making more how-to magic videos like this, so please support our small business, and I thank you to everyone who has ever placed an order on EvanEraTV.com. Thank you so much for your support. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 standard autographed decks of bicycle cards to lucky comments in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna give away these handmade card boxes that I made myself, and I'll even autograph them for you. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. You can leave as many comments as you want. In fact, the more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning, because I'll be going through the comments, picking random people, and mailing out the magic to you. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Check the description of this video for instructions on how to claim your prize. If you make the magic card cube at home, be sure to tag me in your photos on Instagram and Twitter. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, catch up by watching it right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.